This is the Jetboil Zip 0.8 liter fast boil stove. Altogether it is 360 grams, but let's weigh all the pieces just for fun. The lid, the stove, the base, that thing, and the pot. Alright, let's have a look. There's the stove. Materials feel nice. It's anodized aluminum, no rough edges. The knob has a good useful range, half a turn. Feels I don't know, feels tight. Some stoves, the useful range is like here, and then it'll twist all the way around another time or two, and that does nothing. This feels like it just goes from there to there, and the stove actually turns up across that whole range. So there's that. Jetboil sells a 100-gram canister of fuel that fits right inside here. I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to use this off-brand one. But the base fits on that nicely. It is a little bit tight, so getting this off, I do feel like I have to kind of push it pretty hard. Yeah, I don't know if it's like that on the name brand stoves or canisters. There's that. And the pot. Goes up to, it is 0.8 liters, but the kind of gradations inside say half a liter is the max fill line. So that's what I'm going to be heating up today, just as a test. Alright, so I have exactly half a liter. If I don't tip it. Kind of chilly 62-degree water from my air-conditioned basement. But let's heat that up and see how long it takes. There it is at the max fill line. On high. The minimum time, I usually run it a little bit lower, just because it feels like it's wasting fuel to run it all out. This cozy works great. The handle is a little awkward at first, but that works fine, and it folds flat in your pack. And this cozy will get warm to the touch as it boils, but you can still handle it without burning yourself. I see steam. Just over a minute. Ooh, it's bubbling, not quite there. There we go. A rolling boil. I think it started boiling right at 2 minutes. I just didn't pull the lid off to see it. So the listing is correct. That's awesome. It's almost eerie to see water boil that fast. So cool. That is the 0.8 liter zip fast boil stove from Jetboil.